Hello to anyone who might watch this video someday. Today I am going to discuss with you my favorite websites where I have worked over the years as a freelancer and what are the pros and cons of each of these platforms. Hi, my name is Avijit Bhowmick and I had worked my whole life as a freelancer because I hated the concept of 9 to 5 jobs and I always loved the idea of globalization. I am from Kolkata, born and brought up in here, and I have started my freelance career straight out of my college. My very first skill as a freelancer was content writer, and later I had developed my skills into graphics design, motion graphics, website design, and so on. I have developed all my digital skills through various online courses and YouTube tutorials. YouTube has been a real blessing in my life. Whenever I run into any sort of problems, my first choice is to go and check out some YouTube content on that topic. Today I am going to share with you some of my favorite marketplaces where you can sell your services and make a secure line of work. If you have a full-time job, you can start this as a side gig and make some passive income. Number one on this list is Digital Point. Many of you might not have heard of this platform. Digital Point is a forum-based platform where there are discussions going on various topics. You can find forums based on cryptos, blockchains, freelancing, content writing, content marketing, everything is there. Also there is a marketplace where you can go and meet with various new clients and ask work from them. So I will recommend you to go and check out this platform. This is a very good place for beginners to start gathering knowledge. Number two on my list is Getakodacom. Please do not go and search in Google because you will not find it. Few years back, Getakodacom shut down and it didn't came up. I was member of Getakodacom and there were several projects going on that moment, and that was one of my biggest mistake and regret I have, because at that time I was taking 50% of all my work from Getakodacom. While the website closed down, it took away lots of money of various clients. I am telling you about this website because there are various cons working as a freelancer. So as a freelancer, you must diversify and start taking work from various platforms. Do not depend on a single platform. Please take work from different platforms because that will secure your work line many much more. Next platform that I am going to recommend to you is Fiverr.com. Many of you must have already heard about that platform. Fiverr is a gig-based website where you can make up a gig based on a particular service that you are going to provide and make up a cost for that, and clients are going to come and buy those gigs and you are going to provide that fixed service. Fiverr is a very unique place if you are just starting out, because every day we are witnessing that various new streams of platforms are emerging, and for businesses to keep running and providing this service, their services, they are going to need expertise in each of these platforms, and that is where the gig based industry and freelance works are going to always emerge and always evolve. So please check out this website. Next on my list is one of my best favorite and the most popular freelance website for the last 10 years, that is Freelancer.com. Freelancer.com has millions of freelancers registered already. Freelancer.com is unique because along with their job-based service requirements, there is also a platform where there are contests going on. If you are a designer, any sort of designer, then you can participate in these contests as a beginner, and you can start developing your skills faster. At last, my favorite freelance website where I have worked over the years and the most popular website is Upwork.com. Upwork has the best and the biggest clientele you can get in any freelance marketplace. Big enterprises like Microsoft, Yarny, Nasdaq, they hire their freelance requirements from Upwork.com. If you're just a beginner or an expert in your field, go check out Upwork.com. There are many freelancers who are earning six figures yearly basis on Upwork.com, and I know personally few freelancers who have already made millions on this platform. That is it for this video. Hope you have enjoyed. Do subscribe to my channel. That will inspire me to create more contents on these topics. And please leave a comment and I will definitely reach out to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.